Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading Corp. What we're showing you today, this is a Hockmeyer tabletop laboratory dissolver. We've equipped it with a 4-inch dissolver blade. It has a manual lift, has variable speed, which is operated up here. Mixing blade slightly exposed because there is a small amount of water we're using. We have lots of dissolvers in our stock, as well as all types of mixing equipment, as well as everything in processing and packaging. We do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we certainly look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today. We look forward to hearing from you.